channel. I'm King Dino, and on this episode, I thought I'd put together a really easy barbecue that you can do on the road if you're doing van life, or if you just want to have a quick barbecue at home. And you're in my kitchen today, so we'll start in here and then we'll go out to the backyard and I'll show you how to barbecue it. Alright guys, but before I start, please head down to the bottom, subscribe, like, ring that bell, and tell everyone about us. Alright guys, let's get this started. Alright, so this is what we're using today. I've got these beautiful chops sitting here. I'm going to marinate them. I've got sausages, beautiful big mushrooms, got this awesome onion sitting here. I've got a capsicum and a zucchini. So this is what I'm using. Normally, to add that beautiful bit of color, to add a red capsicum, but as you know, especially when you're in van life, you don't always get what you want at the shops, or you run out. So this is a good example of that. But we are in my house today. We're not van lifing it, but this is something definitely, like I said, you could do on the road, on the go, and it's very simple. And I'm going to be cooking it on my portable barbecue, and watch how easy it is. All right, let's get this prepared. All right, guys, so with the chops, I've added rosemary, a bit of oil, garlic, cracked pepper, and lemon. And I've just mixed that through. I've just finished mixing all that through. Now I'm gonna pop that in the fridge and move on to the veggies, and I'll get these sausages back in the fridge, ready to barbecue. All right, let's do this. All right, so the main thing with the veggies is I want them nice and chunky, because they're gonna be on the barbecue. You want them really nice and thick. So I'm gonna start off with this really bad knife, but anyway, we'll keep going with it. And then I'll show you how big I'm gonna do the onion, and then we'll move on to the rest of the different veggies. So literally that big. So nice big chunky bits, and they'll break up on the barbecue. And just chuck all your veggies in one bowl, and then move on to the next veggie. Now I've got my little chef assistant Twyla here, who's going to help me come cook the barbecue, but I just want to show you the veggies. Look how nice, chunky and thick they are. Imagine that with a red capsicum in there. Oh, so angry when the shops ran out of them, but that's okay. We're all good. We're all good. It's only for us. All right, guys. So Twyla and me are going to head out to the backyard, and we're going to get this barbecue cooking. I'm going to show you how to put it all together and how good it looks afterwards. Right, so this is the new burner that I was talking about. It's just a 2-burner, and we use these cans, and it works a treat, and you can take it anywhere you want. And these cans go in so easy. They got a little hole here, and you just pop them in, and you just make sure it's all lined up. I know you can't see this right now, but I'll show you in a second. So yeah, so you can see how I've just lined that up, and it's as simple as that. Now I'll show you this side. So you just open it up. You got the little bit here. Pop your can in, close that off, shut that up. We're done. And the only other thing you have to do is make sure you push that down, and we're ready to go. Pretty simple. That is on. How good's that? And then pretty simple, click, done. All right, now just wait for that to warm up, and then I'm gonna throw my veggies on. Let's get this started. Woohoo. Just a quick spray. Make sure you don't get too close, because of the open flame, it could just go up. Pop our veggies on. We're gonna do our veggies first, and then we're going to cook our meat. And then literally after we've cooked our meat, we can pop the veggies on for 2 seconds and let them get all that meat flavour on them. We've got Twyla there. She's going to be helping. Twyla, hello. Oh, no, she's running to daddy. All right, let's get this happening. Look how good this burner is. So cheap. You can pick them up everywhere, and really cheap to run. Most importantly, we picked up this bottle today from Marnol, and we're just going to pour some of that for for the chef's assistant, and unfortunately, Twyla misses out. Baby Twyla, what's wrong? You don't get no wine. Oh. All right, back to cooking. Twyla. Time for some meat, so I've got my sausages, which I'm going to throw on, well, pretty much anyway. And this is good, like I can take this plate off and wash it, and I don't have to clean a big, massive barbecue, which is just awesome. And then next time I have my barbecue, I'm all set to go. Alright, sausages are on. Now, time for chops. Oh, look at this. Yummo. Oh, yes. Oh, the smell is absolutely divine. Oh, smell that rosemary, the garlic. It smells so good. Twyla's come back out to play. Twyla, get out of the garden. Alright, let's cook. Cheers. So it's time to do the chop flip. 1, 2. Oh, look at these. These are amazing. And I only lightly sprayed the top of this, so I haven't got too much oil happening. It's only the oil so much, more so from the actual chops themselves. And these sausages, they're going to be turned one more time and they'll be ready. Whew, so happy with this. Why this finishes off, let me just show you this really handy case that it comes with. So you can fit everything in there, and it cleans up really good. Like, it's so easy to clean this, it's not funny. And then, like for van life, it's compact, it's small, it's light. You can get these canned anywhere around Australia, from like Kmart and Target and even Woolworths, Coles. So you're pretty much set. Anywhere you want to go, you got yourself a barbecue. Alright, I think it's ready to get this meat off and move inside and have something to eat. Veggies are done, looking good. Twyla's very proud that she helped. And yeah, till the next video, we'll see you then.